Only ever read that.
Do you even hack fully evolved Pokemon, or what? How does that work? If anyone knows, let me know in the comments because I'm a little confused. One time I did hack a Gyarados
It
from the
was
deck, so that makes
210
sense.
meters.
And oh, there is
I was
coffee in
50
there. Wow. Here
meters.
we go, guys.
So by
Another
10
egg coming in
meters, it
hot.
takes me
Let's
like
see what it is. Hopefully it's
like
coffee. That'd be hilarious,
30
actually.
seconds to go
Oh, we got a
50,
Goomy. Look
100
at that. Oh,
meters.
Goomy. Sorry.
I just
I
killed.
don't
Dragon,
30.
Dragon, for those who don't know. I definitely did
Just
not know
killed
that
a
by just looking at it.
bot.
That's some pretty decent.
Yo,
Alright,
number
guys,
3,
we
where's
picked
that
up our last
4x?
egg, and now we are riding around, waiting for it to hatch. So I'll see you guys in just a second.
Follow me.
Warm it up. It looks like we have a winner. Hopefully a winner. We'll see what's inside right now. Finally, a few eggs, guys.
Follow
So
me.
shout out to you guys for the Sobble. Come
Oh,
on,
Do you
man.
need
Get a
help,
little
number
yo,
two?
than that. Alright, guys.
can I
That
have
is
it,
the
please?
final
Like,
member of the team. He's looking
actually,
sad because he is sad. Just so you
I have no
know,
scope.
go ahead and
I
get
just
A
have a
what?
red dot.
What do you need?
we don't know what movesets you guys are gonna have.
Can I have the 4x? Wait.
I already gave it to you.
No, you did not. You just dropped it.
I gave it.
No, you
I'm
took
just
it.
already done looting, guys.
I
No, you
swear.
took it in front of me.
Oh, it's right here. Yeah, I forgot. I have auto pickup. I'm sorry.
Okay, yeah, that's good. Yo, number 1, let me drive.
Look at this guy. I haven't even had this Pokemon before. I've never even seen this Pokemon in the game yet. You know, this is a new save.
Heck, you know
I
what?
didn't even finish my last.
That's
I always go outside. That's what I do.
Here we go. This egg and hatch.
Let me see
One
if
more
that
after
has
this.
skin in.
Ready for it. Let's get the beefy team.
number
Oh, it's
4.
kind of nice.
And we got the
Yeah,
action
my
too. We got the action on the team. Little real choppers. Alright, we're gonna switch on.
you get a level 3 of soup.
It's gonna take a while. I'm gonna probably get far into this.
Holy.
Just in case somebody take this Jeep. Oh, yeah, okay, you too.
Undercase, yeah.
Wait, one of you come in Discord. Okay, no, just...
Because we need more. Yeah, because we're really low on this car.
What is the guy in Jack's Scott playing Pokemon Sword and Shield and the Nintendo Switch? I'm going to be playing the Pokemon Sword version. My channel is home to some of the most popular Nintendo videos on YouTube. Last year I played Pokemon Let's Go Pikachu, and the first episode of that series has over 3 million views, and that's all thanks to you guys with over 30,000 likes. If you go to this video, guys, you can a fraction of that, so please drop a like on this video. I'll
Don't go
give
with
a special
the
shout out to my members, but if you're not a member yet, thank you for subscribing. We're on the road to 4 million subscribers. That's incredible. I cannot thank you enough. If you haven't subscribed to Zach Games,
Like us.
now is your chance. I'll do my best to bring you even more awesome videos. Just let me know which games made you subscribe and which games you want to see me play in the future. Now, without further ado, let's play Pokemon Sword. Here we go. Yes.
You're wasting ammo.
In the sea, in the sky, and even
But still, if you wanna... Your choice. Bro, why do you have it? Are you gonna keep the UMP4 by?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Sometimes, actually, UMP4 fight... I like...
Rose. It is a pleasure to be here. Alright, now turn your gaze to the Galar region's greatest Pokemon trainer. Your undefeated champion. It's time for a Champion Leon Expedition match. Champion Leon, I guess, is the best. Oh my god.
Oh, they got a way more
Hearing
cool.
Champion Leon on.
They have like a hat.
That's a cool look.
Okay, yo,
There's a drop.
Enemies ahead.
There's a drop. Drop.
Oh,
Drop.
we're gonna go up there.
Oh boy.
I'll cover you.
There's a drop, bro.
I
Enemies
really
ahead.
need my favorite.
Record is about to end when I speak. Okay, I didn't even do that.
Yeah.
You know, I got the title. Rayhan, Charizard, Dynamax.
Get the airdrop supplies.
yo, but like, come to this drop on the
Oh
hill.
my god.
There's a drop over there.
Here's the stadium. That is big. That is big. Pokemon Sword.
Over there.
Right now.
Enemies ahead.
That was a pretty cool intro. Now we're here.
I guess follow them.
Okay, bud.
That's me.
I'll subscribe to your clone YouTube.
I need to get up here quick. So I don't get anything.
Bedroom? Ah.
I'm just too late.
Go, 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 go.
So I guess I'm doing my plan for them. Right.
Okay, yo, let's go help them. Yo, what happened? Squad? Oh, I see. Oh, shoot, I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead.
Don't do that like that. Last time when I did that, I was dead.
Just got. Wait, what?
Alright, see you, Hot. That's a cool name, Hot.
Here.
It's cooler in Sea Dog.
I'm just ranking up.
Looking. Okay.
Yo, let's go.
Okay,
Oh, I
number
need that. Let's go, let's go. I'm pushing, I'm pushing. I don't give a.
Alright, Mom.
You punching the tires? I'm gonna push. I need the M249.
That's what I did.
I
I
know
shot
what
the
fireplaces
tires.
are. I hope he didn't be told.
I did a double barrel.
Yo,
Oh!
there's coming out the pushing the.
Don't forget to grab a hat for the weather.
I've used my sniper to do 360s. Man, I'm not that good. I'm just good at it when
Form
I'm
up on
supposed to
me.
be.
Alright, I look pretty stylish.
Form up on me.
Or
Enemy down.
kidding. Let's just jump in.
Okay, I got it. I don't gotta read this.
Enemies ahead.
Let's see if they have this stupid thing.
Enemies ahead. Help.
Okay, let's
Killed one.
Help.
One. This is wet shirts.
Help.
Pop is waiting for you. Better head outside.
Hey, did you see there's an enemy here?
See
There's not even.
you, Mom. Want to talk to me
Help.
before I leave? Oh, don't you look like a treat? What?
Holy level
I
3
knew
helmet.
that pack would suit you. Mom, stop flirting with me. Now,
Yo,
first of
keep
all,
that M249 for me, yo.
Oh, level 3 that one.
Enemies ahead.
Thank you for that gun too.
Why is it named Mom?
No, don't tell me you took the M249.
I was waiting for you.
Like,
That's what I
no.
did.
Here I am outside.
Bro, please give it to me. I can't live without the M249. That's like my gun. Please, yo, come on.
Enemies ahead.
Alright.
Get the airdrop supplies.
Alright.
Yo, where's the M249? Did you take it?
Enemies ahead.
Bro, actually, what the hell, yo? Yo, number one, please, can I have it?
Alright.
Here, come here. You can actually have it.
Wait, no, hold up, no, no. Yeah, give me the M249.
I'll
Form
give you.
up on me.
No, thanks so much.
Alright. Hey, you silly Lulu, I see what you're up to. Don't go using tackle on the fencing. Now you listen, no going past that fence. No.
Oh, I need that gun.
Everyone knows
My
there are
favorite gun.
scary Pokemon
Yeah, I got you a scope.
wheels.
4x
Form
here,
up on
number
me.
one.
Enemies ahead.
Wait, I just got a 4x. I need
Okay.
that.
How about it, Z-Dog? Let's race.
I need two 4x.
What was you lugging about that old
And I'll drop
that big old
everything,
bag?
my
I bet you can.
my stuff what I don't need.
I got supplies.
Tumbling down the route.
Yeah.
Of course we should have took that car up there.
Alright, so
Form up on me.
Sure. Where we going?
Wait, I didn't know there was.
No.
Okay.
Hey, dude. The
This
power
is
of
what my
science is
backpack skin
amazing.
looks like.
Now you can
Level
battle and
3.
trade Pokemon with other people just by walking
Yo,
around.
I really want that 6x, but I know Guti's gonna take it.
Here we go. Where is this
Because
guy
he's
now?
fast right now.
Countless awesome. Hey, Z-Dog.
Oh, shoot, I didn't put my phone in charging the whole
No need to go to
Oh, I
the
really need a
find them
6x.
when
I don't need
it's
a
right next
4x.
door, right?
Oh, hello, my boy.
I got
I
supplies.
see what you're saying. I think it's in his prime.
I knew it. He took it.
Hello. Bro, oh,
Yeah,
and
and
Whoever has this
let's go,
oh, I
baby.
can see him, guys. I can see him.
No, don't shoot, don't. Okay. If you see
There's
them.
an ambush.
Okay, you know
Play
what?
it
Hold up.
safe.
For good thing, I'm gonna go get that 6x fast.
I got supplies.
Yo, GP, where's that M249? Yo,
I just
should
killed
have
him.
double M249s, like double machine guns.
How much?
Yo, Gucci, hold up. Gucci, don't go right now.
Probably only just arrived at the station in Wetcher.
Guys, how much kills do you have?
You know Lee is hopeless with directions. I'll make sure he doesn't get lost on the way. How will you? Yes, that is probably for the best.
Yo, number 1, 2, where's that 6x?
It's in the shed.
Pro, right? You can't miss out on your chance.
Enemies ahead.
Champion.
Yo, where's that 6x?
Alright, sure enough. This is a smart fridge. Whoa. I'm going so fast. It's a family-sized fridge.
In
Like it's for-
where? Like I can't see it.
Family. What's your name? No one was how to pick up Leon. dog.
Enemies
My
ahead.
sword is a reliable sword. I'll have
You
everything
dropped it
ready for
right there.
tomorrow.
Okay, gee. Just says enemies ahead. And there's nobody there. I wanna
Oh,
pop.
wait, so is it in this house? Is it in
Enemies
this house?
ahead.
Make sure enemies don't pop up your helmet. If they could actually do
Enemies
that.
ahead.
Who should have
Oh,
flared?
in this thing? Oh my god, I think Gucci took it. I think Gucci took it, yeah. It's too late. Oh, wait. No. Okay,
No,
thank you.
I never took it. I have 6 already. I got
Oh,
my.
okay. No. I thought you took it. But still, thank you. I got it, thanks.
Flares here. What number did?
Number 3 used the flare.
Yeah. I mean, no, number 2 I think. Or number 3.
No, it said Gucci. Right? How many people?
Yes.
Just one person. Where's his
Just
crate?
24. There's an AWM. Can I have it?
Huh?
Oh no. Okay, yeah. Here, come here.
Yo, wait, Gucci, I'm just
Yeah,
gonna ask you, can I just have the AUG?
No, take this.
Okay.
I don't want to flare.
Okay, yo, thanks. I just need the AUG. Just
Okay.
AUG. Okay, thanks. I see it. Okay, that's our
It better
car.
not run on the roof. If it does, we're not.
We're on the roof. We can go on the roof. Doesn't very good.
Yeah, feels like anybody.
I'm gonna select a place for the zone. This might be a better place.
Because I just
Yeah,
need
car.
the vest. Nobody haven't shot my vest yet. Yeah, of course somebody's trying to come. Right?
Just keep moving. Just. Yo, I'm gonna do a parkour jump. You know, ready? Nah, 2-4.
Now he's just gonna take. Hey, you two boys! Guys, there's a double barrel.
Oh,
Holy! Jeez! I got a ghillie suit now. Thanks for that. That's kind of good, too. Keep your towers. Don't actually. Can't see. Now they're never gonna see me again because I'm the ghillie suit man. Where did he go? No, he left. He was scared them off.
Form up on me.
You wanna go? I'm not going.
oh, we gotta go to the zone.
That's if anybody wants this ghillie suit, I'll give him it.
Bro, I hate the scar when it's about to keep the M416. If you guys find an extra M416, tell me.
What guns do you have?
I have an M249 and like a Scar L.
I really need a good gun to keep me up. I need a green gun. That's what I need for my ghillie suit.
Let's go. Okay, he's racing for real. I'm just kind of here.
Thanks for that, one of you guys. Hey, don't you dare give me that ghillie suit.
Alright, so.
Where's my game lagging? My ping is 56 and I'm lagging like it's 120. Oh, there's a drop here. There might be enemies coming. So just in case. I got DP with me.
No, it's going down. No, just kidding.
Good job.
I don't have any.
Somebody already.
I need some good loot. I really don't need this. Just to drop them. There's carnage over here. There's a carnage. Carnage.
Oh wait, M416. Let's go.
Car.
Car coming.
Alright,
Ow!
oh, carnage.
How did you actually DP? Bro, what? I didn't even see that coming. I haven't
don't
even
look
put
for
my
airdrops. I'm pretty sure you might get
6x stuff. Yo, yeah, go, DB. When you revive me,
What
just
happened?
go finish that guy. Go finish that guy right away.
Alright.
Hey guys, what happened? What is people?
Alright, I know which one I'm gonna go with.
Yeah, just go and finish him. So a car just pushed us to the drop and they died. It's just one person, but his teammates are still alive.
I think that's what I'm gonna do. Go on, you pick first. I've already got my Wooloo after all. Alright,
Buggy.
I'm sliding all the way over. Hey guys, we need to go quick.
Oh, what? His teammates are already here.
It's filled to bursting with fiery.
Smoke. Number one. No, number one. You're doing a big mistake.
You choose Score Bunny.
Number
Yeah.
DP, cap.
Excellent work.
I'm in cover.
The nickname. You are no longer Score Bunny.
I'm perfectly in cover. They can't see me.
You are going to be.
Yo, Gucci. I help. Bro, we're gonna get killed.
Number 3, come on.
X-Dog has been
I got
added
it.
to your party.
Gucci, come here and help me. Yo, we're in perfectly cover.
Happy, right? So, it'll be Score Bunny for you.
Yo, come on. Gucci, just come.
Okay, he took Groovy.
Fuck, yo.
Thank you.
Why would DP just push alone like that, yo?
You and I'll be doing some serious training. Alright.
Bro, why would you just go and push? You could have just revived. No, try to snipe him, You can see him, you can barely see him. Another one, just go. Easy. And one out. Good game. You could have won.